Video I'm going to discuss about making money online using this platform called Toloka. A lot of people have mentioned this platform repeatedly, but I don't think they have go even a bit to tell you the amount you can achieve working remotely with this platform. Firstly, let's start from the amount I make in the past 3 months. Me, I'm not here to tell you that I make this 2 months, I make this 1 month, I make this 2 weeks ago. No, I'm not here to lie to you guys. Making money in that platform is not easy, but it's better to make money in that platform working remotely than working for someone. Do you understand me? So let's go straight to today's tutorial. Let's start the video. Okay, this $3,700 is the amount I make the past 3 months. And I know it's not easy, but it's better for you to work this than for you to work for someone. And secondly, in this platform, it's all about earn money by helping AI getting smarter. I know helping AI getting smarter might sometimes affect you in future. Do you know why I say so? Because they are going to collect your job. That one is more. But before they collect your job, make sure you collect their money now. So, and in this platform, I've completed 1,847 tasks in the past 3 months, and 12 in progress, 5 in pending. And look at my accuracy. My accuracy is 98.4%. The reason why my accuracy is like this is because I don't give them false information. And this is why I call some information false information. When you are labeling email, what you're supposed to give to them, it should be accurate, because they are trying to teach something that is going to the world to teach others. Do you understand? So you should give them accuracy. When you give them accurate of everything they ask you, your accuracy is going to go high. And when your accuracy is very high, you get more tax and more job in the platform. So if you scroll down, you will discover that these are some of the money I make recently. I label email. Look at it. This is my recent earning. Test classification is 8.50. Audio transcription is 22.00. Content moderation is 5.75. And if you can see it clearly, look at it. That is 98.4. That was the accuracy rate. Everything in this platform is legit. You can browse about Toloka. It's not something that you will believe that is not legit or whatever. In this platform, everything in this platform is legit. So let's go straight. Let me go to how to get the work, how it works. You can see they are telling you to create your free account, sign up with your email in under 30 seconds, no credit card, no commitment. We support works from 150 plus country, and they are not lying. They are not lying. Even as African, you can work remotely with this platform. Do you understand? You can work remotely in this platform. This platform is legit. It's very, very legit. It's legit, very legit. And if you look down, these are the tags in this platform: image labeling, tag, object, withdraw boundary box and whatever, text and NLP, audio transcription. You can see them. All these tags are available in that platform. All these tags are available in that platform. This platform is very legit, very, very legit. This platform is very, very legit. And if you can see here, we have contributors earning globally. Contributors earning globally. You can see it. Top workers in full-time income. Part-time supplement their salary. Every dollar is real. We are not here to blab. Like I told you guys, in this platform is very legit. If you ask everybody, you can use any website to run this platform, check their reviews, and you'll see what I'm telling you. Toloka is a real platform if you are working remotely, and if you are looking for a job currently right now, go and search for this platform and get it ready. And if you want to sign up in this platform, you'll see a link in the description bio. Just go straight to the description bio, tap the link, and sign up direct to the website and start working. It's not something that is hard. It's very easy. It's something that you can do within a space of 3 to 4 hours. You have gained a lot of money. I know you might think that it's not big, but when you continue, you will learn how to make more. That is the key point. So in what we are going to do now is to go directly to the platform now and see the order, how to complete the tasks and everything about the platform. If you look down closely in this community, these are the money people are making. Wow, these are the money people are making in this community. Some people are not even making much. Some people are not making much. But let me go to the video, to the platform to show you guys the current job or tasks that are ongoing. Because there's a way you don't stay active. If you don't stay active, you might lose some job opportunity or tasks. So let's go to the video and let's go to the platform completely and let me show you some certain things. If you are looking at the dashboard code right now, you will see that we have record egocentric video. This one is not ongoing. This one was ongoing for some time now. I don't know why it went off. Maybe people have completed the task. If you look here, you will see something like image. Which image is better? In this one, you rank image and tell them the image that is better. This one, record egocentric video. This one is all about you recording video, ironing clothes, or even if you are washing a plate or your plate is dirty, you can wash the plate, make 5-minute video and send to them, and they will pay you for it. Everything in this platform is all about payment. And you see this one is ongoing. Upload achieve photo P2. This task is ongoing. You see here, you see start task. If you look the instruction here, let me open the instruction so you can see. In the instruction, it says task instruction. Your goals in this task is to take 4 clear selfie of your face. 1.2 selfie indoor. You can see them. The reason why they are asking you to do this mostly is not for them to upload the image for people to see. You know that when people ask AI to generate image, when they ask AI to generate image of a white person or generate image of an old woman, image of a young woman, image of a small boy, thereabouts, don't you wonder how AI managed to get those images? I don't know if you're getting me. This is how AI managed to get those images. By you uploading image for AI, AI will learn how to design, sketch, and paint image of a real human being. But it's not your own image. It's not going to use your own image again. But since you know how image of a real human being look like, it's going to use that information you give to him to design it. I don't know if you're getting me. So it's not going to use your image to do anything. It's just all about information. So secondly, we have what? Upload selfie, new and archive photo P2. The same thing, same $0.35. Imagine you upload image up to 30 a day. Just times 0.35 times 30. I don't know if you're getting me. This is not small money. Let me not lie to you. If you can do that a day, times it by 30 and you see what you get. So let's go straight to open the instruction. In the instruction, we have goals in this task is to take 4, and it's still the same task. Yeah, it's still the same task. Like I explained earlier, it's still the same task. It's not something that is hard. Get it done. And imagine you perform this task to some certain time. When the task finish, you come down, you perform this one also. Task is always here for you to make money online. It's not something that you complain or say it's not working. No, come here and make the money and get it done. Thank you for watching my video. If you love what I do in this channel, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that notification button to get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thank you.